All right, so today the video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing the new NT USB microphone from Rode Microphones. This is a change because if you've seen my earlier videos when I had my headset mic, like I'll show right now,
Today we'll be installing Kali Linux as a virtual machine.
it was pretty awful. And then I upgraded to an Amazon Basics 5-fine USB microphone, and that's all right. It sounds okay. It sounds a lot better than my headset, but today we're going to be doing yet another upgrade, and this one is gonna hopefully last for a long time. So let's open it up. Like that little void warranty sticker right there. It's great. So we are greeted by a lot of foam. I'm gonna take that first foam off right there. And my first impressions of this is it is huge. It is a lot bigger than what I expected. Here's a normal sized male hand, for example. Even better, let's turn this mic over here. Excuse the noise. So this is my current mic, and if you just take a look at it, let's take this off, the size difference there. So here is my 5-fine mic, and then here is our Rode mic. Let's put the little sound right there. So let's take it out. First we have, awful noise, the stand. It's got a little Rode logo on there right there. You can't see that. Little piece of paper. The longest cord known to man. It's just a USB Type B to USB Type A, USB 2.0. I'm not actually sure how long it is, but it seems like 20 to 30 feet. So that's a tad bit excessive. We have a little carrying case here. It's leather. It's got a nice little foam insert in the middle. We have a I Heart Rode microphone sticker and a giant help glossary instruction manual thing. Put that off to the side. And the main event, we have the microphone itself. This one comes with a pop filter already built into it. Oh my goodness, this thing's huge. Giant piece of foam here, let's take that out. And let's actually take this pop filter off. I want to see it without pop filter. So this can be shock mounted very easily. I think it's just a normal threaded arm mount, shock mount. First impressions, this thing is heavy. I'd say like 2.5 pounds-ish. It has a headphone input, so you can monitor your audio as you're going. It has dials to go between monitor and system audio. And then it also has the headphone volume. So when you're monitoring, you can determine how much of your system you want, how much of your headphones you want, and then overall how much you want in your headphones. We're gonna turn that all the way to headphone. It is cardioid, so it's gonna pick up what's exactly facing it and not very much behind it or to the sides of it. So keep that in mind. It's not gonna be a podcast mic. This is going to be for someone speaking, like in a YouTube video like this. At the bottom, we have a little warranty sticker. Activate your extended warranty. Do that later. Some silica gel balls, some desiccant, always fun. Keep all the moisture out of here, and a giant foam block. Is there anything under here? Nope, that's just part of box. All right, so first things first, we have our pop filter. It's just like stainless steel mesh. Feels quite nice, actually. The rest of it's plastic, but that can be overlooked, it's fine. We have our mount for the pop filter, and for I'm guessing the tripod mount. So let's actually get that mounted here. Let's put this pop filter back on. Now we have our pop filter, and let's get this stand on here. Spin. Let's do it this way, the way I should have been doing it the entire time. Now it is in its upright position. Let's plug it in and have an audio test. I'll have a side-by-side. So I'll have this mic connected and the new Rode mic connected, so you guys can listen and see if you can tell the difference. See if I made a good purchase. This is a sound test for the Rode NT USB microphone and a sound test for the Fifine Amazon Basics microphone that I got for $40 and was also upsold the pop filter, which was a fourth of the actual cost of the mic, even though it's just a piece of crap. And yeah. So let me know if you guys can actually tell the difference in sound quality in these on YouTube, because I'm very curious to see how YouTube actually takes the sound of the NT USB microphone and the sound of the Fifine microphone and compresses it and sends it all to you guys across the interwebulars. And then if you guys have any different speaker setups you're using, if you guys have some like professional speakers, or if you're using an Android phone speakers, let me know how it sounds on each of those as well, because I'm very curious to see how this microphone actually performs. All right, so after reviewing the footage and listening to both the Rode NT USB microphone and the Fifine microphone that I've been using for the majority of this channel, I have realized that the NT USB microphone from Rode is leagues better in quality. Not only does it not pick up surrounding noises, so the cardioid shape of the actual sound is much better. It's not picking up my AC, it's not picking up the PC over there that's running. It's not picking up much of the reverberation of the room, sorry plant, or the echo or anything, whereas the Fifine microphone, if I switch to the audio now, you guys can hear just about everything. It's not that noticeable, and with the Rode microphone, I am realizing that I need to be a little bit closer to it for it to pick up all of my voice, the full soundingness of my voice. Whereas if I'm a little bit further, the Fifine microphone does do a pretty good job, whereas the Rode the voice kind of falls away. So obviously in my next videos, you guys are going to see me just a little bit closer to my mic, just so it sounds a little bit better. So do I recommend the NT USB microphone from Rode, or do I recommend the Fifine mic from Amazon? Sorry. Getting confused here. Yeah, I do. Both of them. The Fifine mic is a great microphone for $40. Obviously, if you have a little bit more money, go for a Blue Yeti or something in that price range. And then if you really have the money, go for the Rode NT USB microphone. I don't think you will regret it. It's a great mic. It has a great sound. It has very good noise cancellation around it. So like behind it, I feel like that's not going to get picked up very well, whereas in front of it, it's going to get picked up a lot better. So the cardioid shape of the sound is great. I have no use for the headphone monitoring, just because if you guys saw me wearing headphones, I don't have a sound guy. I don't even have a camera guy. I have my webcam right here and my Nikon that's going to my OBS over here. If I just flip you guys around, there's OBS, there's my camera, there's the outside. So I'll have the Amazon links to both the NT USB Rode microphone on Amazon, and then I'll also link the Fifine mic with its pop filter that is extremely overpriced, and I recommend that none of you buy it. But the pop filter did help a little bit with my pops when I say peas and stuff like that, or when I sneeze on camera, because it happens, or when I cough. Yeah, if you're going to get one of these mics, I do recommend you getting a sound arm. So a arm with a shock mount, or just a shock mount in general, because when I hit the table, you're gonna hear that. and then if I move the mic around, you're also going to hear that. Plus, the stand is very plasticky. It's very light. I don't think it would hold up very well. Whereas actually, I think the Five Fine stand, even though it looks 10 times worse, I think it's actually better because it does have some metal in it. So if you guys like this type of video, and if you like the tech part of Pentests and Tech, give it a like, get subscribed, hit that bell icon so you guys get notifications for all my future videos. And I'll see you guys all later.